What's up guys? Today we are going to be seeing how the DreamCloud compares to the new purple offering, the Restore mattress. We're going to be putting these beds in a head-to-head comparison over here at the Slumber Yard today and seeing which bed is going to be right for who. We're going to start off by talking about the general policy information that these two beds are backed by. Then we're going to delve into their similarities, so what exactly they share in common. We'll contrast them a bit, talk about their differences, cover pricing near the end, and at the very end, I'll even try to sum things up with a nice final verdict for you so you can really see which one you should go with. If you didn't already, my name is JD and I work over here at the Slumber Yard, a place where we review all things online mattresses. So if you've been checking out something online and you need some more information, hit the description box or check out our website, myslumberyard.com, for so much more. If you get something out of this video and you maybe enjoy it and we point you in the right direction today, like this video and subscribe to the Slumber Yard for so much more if you want to keep up to date with us. But now let's get right into this one.
At the Slumber Yard, you know we work real hard to find the right bed for you. Save your money on it.
Alrighty, so as we always do in these videos, first things first, policies. What do you got to know in terms of shipping, returns, trial periods, and warranties with the Purple Restore or the flagship DreamCloud? And right up top, I do want to preface this section by saying that we did receive these mattresses for free from their respective brands to review, so we could test them out over here and tell you guys all about them. But you should be getting completely free shipping with both. The DreamCloud will show up in a big box, and the Purple Restore will likely show up in a big bag. But either way you go, box or a bag, all you got to do is just drag those packages into your home and unbox them with the help of a friend, and then shortly thereafter you're going to have a brand new bed that will expand right before your eyes. We've unboxed hundreds, if not thousands but we've unboxed a million beds over here at the Slumber Yard.
1 million beds!
It never gets old. It's a fun process, and again, if you have a friend there, it goes by super quick. Once these beds are in your possession though, that's when your trial period starts with both of these mattresses, and they are going to be a little bit different. With the Purple Restore, you're going to get 100 full nights to really test it out at home before you're stuck with it. And with the DreamCloud, you actually get an entire year, so 365 nights with this one. But whether it's 3 full months or a full year to test out a mattress risk-free at home before you're stuck with it, you have a nice time to do so. And in the case that you don't really decide that they're right for you for whatever reason, you can get completely free returns with both within those respective trial period timeframes. But if the opposite occurs, you try them out through those trial periods and you want to keep them, that's great. They're both backed by some solid warranties. You get a standard 10-year one with the Purple Restore and a lifetime warranty with the DreamCloud. So pretty nice policies in terms of DreamCloud stuff, pretty standard stuff in terms of Purple Restore. If you need any more information regarding all this policy stuff, check down below in the description box. Now with the policies out of the way, let's get into the main similarities between these two beds, and there's really not much here, mainly one, and that's the fact that these are both hybrid mattresses, which means that they use a combination of foam for comfort and coils on the bottom for support. Now we've talked extensively on and on about coils over here at the Slumber Yard in these videos, but basically what they do is just provide heavier people with a lot more bidirectional support and long-term durability. If you are a heavier person, you can get by on an all-foam mattress just fine, but just know it's likely going to degrade on you a little bit faster than a bed with coils will. I'm personally a pretty heavy dude, and I prefer a hybrid mattress for my body type. But either way you go here, DreamCloud or Purple Restore, you're getting a nice coil mattress, which is a good thing to know. Now, in terms of construction, above those coil layers is where you're going to start to see the differences between these two beds. So the Purple Restore has a transitional layer of foam, and then they use a special material known as the Gel Flex Grid on top. And in the case of DreamCloud, above the coils it uses various comfort foams, including a memory foam, and then a nice European pillow top to round everything out. This difference in design gives these beds completely separate feels. So with the Purple Restore, since it uses that Gel Flex Grid, it's going to present sleepers with a really unique feel. All of the Purple mattresses, including this one, kind of feel soft and firm at once. So it's going to be really responsive yet cushioning, much unlike a traditional comfort foam. It is going to be kind of divisive amongst certain sleepers. You either tend to love it or hate it, but most people tend to really like it. Now, on the other hand here, DreamCloud features more of a pillow top feel with a slight memory foam sensation. So because it does use that layer of memory foam towards the top, it is going to provide you with a little bit more of a sink-in body conforming sensation, but it's really slight. And in general, we would say it has just more of a familiar feel that a lot of sleepers are probably already used to. If you've ever been in a hotel and you've slept on a nice hotel bed, that's pretty much what the DreamCloud feels like. But again, either way you go here, I would say both of these beds strike a really nice balance of overall support and comfort. Now, in terms of firmness, this is another main difference between these two. So the flagship DreamCloud or the DreamCloud mattress is only available in one firmness profile, and it's right at a flat medium on our scale, so it should be a great option for all sleeper types right off the bat. back, side, stomach, and combination. Now moving over to the Purple Restore, this bed is actually available in 2 different firmness levels. You've got a firm and a medium soft option to choose from here. Over here at the Slumber Yard, we have their firm, and we would clock it right at a proper medium firm honor scale, pretty similar to the older Purple Hybrid model. So it should be a pretty good option for all sleeper types as well, but maybe give the slight support edge for primary back and stomach sleeping. Firmness is super subjective though. It usually depends on how much you weigh. So if you do want a different firmness level from either DreamCloud or Purple as a brand, they offer some options for you to consider. DreamCloud has the DreamCloud Premier mattress, which is the more enhanced version of the DreamCloud. It is going to be a little bit firmer. And then they offer their high tier option called the DreamCloud Premier Rest, which is in turn a bit softer than the flagship DreamCloud. So you do have some options as far as the DreamCloud brand is concerned. Now looking at Purple, they recently underwent a huge revamp on their whole online mattress lineup, and they offer 3 separate collections of beds now, the Essential, the Premium, and the Luxe, and all of those collections have several different beds to choose from. Sitting right behind me is the Restore Premier, which is basically the more enhanced version of the Restore. It's also available in 2 firmness levels. It's got a quite soft option for you to try, so we'll try to link all those other options from both brands down below in the description box. Now let's talk about some fun facts, things that kind of set these beds apart from the fray of your average online bed. And for the DreamCloud mattress, this bed presents more of a luxurious aesthetic. It really looks nice, you know, it wouldn't look out of place sitting in a fancy 5-star hotel. And there's even a little bit of cashmere woven into that tufted cover, so super quality and nice bed with the DreamCloud mattress. Now that isn't to say that Purple Restore isn't a quality bed, it really is, but its main X factor is the airflow that you're gonna get from this bed. Because that GelFlex grid has little to no surface area, there's tons of room for air to really circulate through the mattress, offering a really nice amount of airflow. And when you move around on the bed, you can even feel some of that air moving with you. These days on the Purple Restore, there is kind of a surface cloth layer on that GelFlex grid, which might mitigate some of that breathability and airflow, but there is still a lot more than your average bed with the Restore. Like most other mattresses, it is probably gonna sleep temperature neutral for most folks out there, but if you're looking for an especially cool sleeping mattress, we'll try to link our best picks for hot sleepers down below in the description box. Now let's get into pricing. Purple Restore, DreamCloud, how much are they gonna cost for you? And right up top, I do wanna say that mattress pricing within this space fluctuates and changes all the time, so check in the description box. We should have whatever is most current and up-to-date link down there for you, but as of when I'm recording this video, you can expect to pay just shy of the $2,300 mark for a queen size Purple Restore MSRP. Since it is so new as a mattress to the Purple lineup, we're not quite sure what they're going to be offering in terms of discounts and promotions just yet, but you can be sure whatever is most current is going to be linked down below in the description box. In terms of the DreamCloud bed, this is actually one of the best values for the overall level of quality that you're getting here for a pretty nice pillow top bed. After discount in a queen size, you can usually expect to pay around $800, which is a steal for a bed like this. We constantly recommend DreamCloud on, value lists over here at the Slumber Yard. So again, check down below in the description. We should have some sort of DreamCloud discount link down there for you. And hey, if you do decide to use those discounts in our descriptions, it actually helps us out over here at the Slumber Yard, and we really appreciate the kickback from you guys. But that's pretty much going to sum it up for this comparison between the Purple Restore and DreamCloud. Let's give you a real short and sweet final verdict on each one here. Over here at the Slumber Yard, we'd say look into the Purple Restore if you want a supportive hybrid bed with a super unique feel available in 2 different firmness options, and you don't mind spending up for a quality bed with tons of airflow. And then check out the DreamCloud mattress if you want a supportive pillow top bed with more of a memory foam sensation, and you want a hotel quality mattress at a really approachable price point after a discount. But hey, that is just our take on it. Everybody's got an opinion these days, even when it comes to online beds. So let us know your thoughts down below in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe to the Slumber Yard for so much more. We're constantly striving to produce the best online bedding product reviews in the game. So your support means a lot to us. And check in the description box if you need any more information regarding these beds. But that's going to do it for this one. I'm JD with the Slumber Yard. Hopefully you're doing well today. And like always, sleep right, sleep tight, and we'll see you next time.
See you in the next one.
See you in the next. See you in the. Bye. Bye, everybody.
Like and subscribe.